That was a great demo, Gautam. It's quite powerful to see how easily Writer can help put together professional looking flyers without needing a design team. So now let's talk about something every financial institution deals, that is paper forms. I believe it's still very much around, right?
Absolutely, Jennifer. Many teams still rely on printed forms for things like loan applications, KYC, and internal approvals. With Writer, you can digitize all of that. Just you can scan the paper form and upload it as a PDF, and then it automatically converts into a fillable digital form. So you get to have an option to fully control the and also customize the fields based on your need.
And this helps in collecting data quickly, reducing manual errors, and speeding up the whole process.
Exactly. So whether it's onboarding a new client, collecting investment declarations, or capturing internal requests, everything becomes digital, trackable, and easier to manage.
So once we have uploaded the form, the next step is to add the right kind of fields. Zoho Writer offers a wide variety of them, such as text fields, number fields, currency, file upload, lookup fields, checkboxes, and even radio buttons.
That is exactly correct, Jennifer. For example, if you're building a loan application form, you might use a text field for the applicant's name, a number field for the age or the loan amount, and a currency field to specify the requested amount. And we also have lookup fields to select the branch location. And furthermore, we also have checkboxes or radio buttons to choose the type of loan or confirm the agreement to the terms that you have declared.
Adding to that, for KYC purposes, you can even add a file upload field to collect address or identity proofs as well.
Exactly, Jennifer. We'll talk about more in the latest slides. Well, this actually ensures that all the data that you collect is clean, structured, and easy to process.
So now, once the form is all ready, what if we want to collect responses from people who visit our website?
Well, you can simply publish the form and embed it in your site. So if a prospective client lands on your page, let's just say someone looking to apply for a loan, then they can simply fill out the form that you have embedded in your website and submit it right there without downloading anything in their machines.
That definitely sounds smooth, and I believe this saves time for both the organization and the applicant.
Absolutely, Jennifer. It also ensures you're capturing accurate data in real time and it's all stored securely for further processing.
And that brings us to something really smart, literally. Like imagine you already have a PDF form in hand, maybe like a loan application or an account opening form. What if we told you that Writer can take that PDF and automatically detect where the fields should go?
Exactly. So you just upload the PDF into Writer and a built-in AI tool will scan and intelligently place all the required fields for you, like text boxes, checkbox, date pickers. It's all handled in a matter of seconds.
Yes, Gautam, and this makes it incredibly easy for financial teams to digitize even legacy forms without having to recreate them from scratch. And the best part is, Writer's field detection is one of the most accurate tools out there.
Yes, that is correct, Jennifer, which actually saves both time and effort, especially when you're dealing with large volume of forms.
And now that we have seen how easy it is to digitize forms, let's talk about something equally important, that is collecting supporting documents securely.
Well, that is correct. That's where the file upload field that we talked about in the previous slide comes in. So you can simply add it to your form, a file upload field into your form, and this will allow users to upload the necessary documents.
Like for example, during a loan onboarding process, you could ask applicants to upload their proof of identity or recent bank statements right through the form.
Yes, and here's the best part. The uploaded files are automatically stored in your work drive folders. It keeps things organized and secure, making it easy for your team to access them anytime they require.
So that looks like a very easy way to collect and manage documents without even leaving the writer ecosystem. It's both convenient for clients and efficient for teams. And speaking about client convenience, here's a scenario that plays out quite often during the loan onboarding process. A new client is applying for a loan. Instead of walking into a branch with a stack of documents, they receive a secure digital form where they can enter their basic details and upload their proof of address. The entire process happens remotely without a single sheet of paper being printed or signed. Sounds simple, right? Let's take a look at how this works inside Zoho Writer. So, Gautam, can you show us how to set up such a form?
Definitely, Jennifer. So let me quickly jump over to the writer section, and here I have already created a form from scratch in Zoho Writer. So all I did is I just opened up a blank document and I have inserted the headings and the various fields required, such as text fields, radio buttons, check boxes, date fields, and there is also a drop down that I've configured. So configuring a drop down in Writer is so easy that you just have to insert the field and then configure it based on your own preference. And similarly, I have also added conditions so that if the nationality contains others, then I'll display a text field so that the applicant can manually enter their nationality and then submit the document. So this way you'll be able to dynamically display content based on the user's selection during the form submission. So now, as you can see, I've also added a data source just to show you how a lookup field would look like. So here I have configured a data source that contains the city and the state in which the bank operates, and furthermore I have configured it as a lookup field so that only the list of cities will be displayed in my final result. And furthermore, I've added a checkbox fields and also added further conditions to display dynamic data. So now once that is done, in the end I have added two fillable file upload fields so that the users will be able to upload their proof of address. So maybe it might be their social security card or any other proof of address to confirm their address. So now once this configuration is done, I'll have various options to share this document. So I can go ahead and click on share to fill, and if it is an internal collection, I'll be able to just use fill as form and then share the document. Whereas if it is an external one, I can go ahead and publish and embed the document as well, so that I'll be able to get a public link which can be accessed by anyone across the internet. So here I'll be able to select public on the web, and if I select embed code, I'll be able to get the embed code and embed it in my website as shown in the GIF in the slide. So now once this is done, let me just go ahead and show you how this form looks for an external user. So this is how the form will look like. So they can just get into over here and type in their name and go ahead and put in the checkbox fields and add the date, so and select the nationality as well. So as I mentioned, if I select others, I'll be displaying another field where they'll have to enter the nationality. So if I am selecting anything from the drop down list, as you can see, the field will be vanished because it's not required. So similarly, we have lookup fields which will fetch the data based on my data source. The cities will be fetched and I can just go ahead and select it. And as you can see, I also have checkboxes that can be checked, and there is the file upload field where I'll be able to upload my proof of address. So I'll just upload this document, and as you can see, it's uploaded in a CIS. So I'll just go ahead and click on submit so that the form gets submitted. So now I'll be able to get these data easily collected. And not only that, I'll also have options to configure the file upload field. So I can select the required file type, and I can also choose the destination in which the file has to be saved in my Zoho Work Drive, and I can also choose the maximum file size. Some companies will have restrictions in the amount of file size that can be stored, so they can make use of these options and configure it before they share it to their clients. So this is how you can create a form, a fillable template in Zoho Writer, and share it with your clients for filling. And also, we talked about how you can upload a document and you can convert that into a fillable form. So let me show you that as well. So I'll just get it to the Writer dashboard and click on upload document. And here I'll choose a fillable template because I want the PDF form to be converted as a fillable PDF form. So for that, I have an existing form. This is actually an online form, and this does not have anything from Zoho Writer. So it's a downloaded form. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on open. And now you can see that the document is uploaded. So let me just open the file. So in this case, this is a PDF document, and I'll have two options. I can either manually insert the fields, or I can go ahead and click on auto insert fields. So this is where the AI that we talked about comes in, where the AI will detect the fields and available in the form, and it will automatically insert it. So you can see the result, it will be near perfect. So I just have to make some modifications before I share as per my preference, and I'm just good to go. So as you can see, there are 107 fillable fields that was inserted into the document. So this is how easy it is for you to convert any existing PDF forms into a fillable form. And not only PDF forms, you can also convert paper forms into PDF and upload it into Writer, and that will also have the same kind of detection, field detection.